Today we're going to take a look at some of these azaleas that we got from Briggs Nursery. These were in L3s. We planted them up into 2-gallon pots, which gives them actually plenty of room for the 2 years that we have them. And then we'll actually put them out to sell them. So these are the Northern Highlight Azalea. So we had a problem with some of them. Out of all these that we have, you can see these ones here look really good, but we do have some we're going to look at that the leaves turned brown and stuff on them, and they didn't look too good. You can actually see one right here that's kind of that way. We're going to take a look at them and see if we can find out at Garden Starts Nursery what happened to these azaleas. So did they get too warm and not enough water? Or are the roots dying because they're too wet? So we're going to stop and we're going to take a look and see what's going on with them. So you can see this azalea here. It's nice and green. It looks good. It's thriving. Soil looks good. Everything's nice. We're going to actually take it out. Take a look at the root system. It has plenty of room to grow for this upcoming season and stuff in a 2-gallon pot. So this one looks good. But why do these look bad? See that? We're thinking they're either dried out or too wet. So we're going to actually take a look at this and see what we have going on. One of the big things is you get weeds in them, and you have to really clean the weeds out. But here's this one. We're going to see if we can bring it back, but let's take a look at it. The roots look okay, but we're thinking this one's a little too wet. Maybe it needs to dry out longer. But that's what this one looks like. So let's go to these other three and see what we think about these ones. Once again, it looks really wet. So one of the troubles is if you see them wilting like this, you think they're too dry. Where actually they can be too wet. The soil may not be draining that good. So one way to make the soil drain better is to put perlite, pumice in it, and that helps with your drainage, and it'll help it go through, the water drain through faster. You don't want it to grow right through it, but you do want it to drain well. So this one here, you can see it was starting to get the brown on it, so we're just going to pinch these brown leaves off. Make it look better. So these Northern Light Azaleas, these were they were about that tall when we got them last year. And when we plant them into these 2 gallons, you can see the stems on them. They've grown quite a bit. But you can look at this one. It's a little bit drier, so it's actually doing pretty good. One thing we really like to do is we like to use Osmocote on these. And this is 3 to 4 months Osmocote. It's 15, 9, 12. And so what we're going to do is just sprinkle a little bit on these. That way when we water it, they'll go in good. They don't need a whole lot, just a little bit, and it'll really green them up. So this next year will look really good and ready to sell. So at Garden Starts Nursery, we were trying to troubleshoot these azaleas, and we think we found what's wrong with them. So these ones here, we're not going to water for about 3 to 4 days, and then we'll water them again and see if they start perking up. This one looks really good, so we're just going to water it every other day. But if it's hot out here, we need to water it more often because these 2-gallon pots, they really dry up fast. Thank you for watching this video at Garden Starts Nursery.